Hello, it's Hannah again, and aelfric Eden sent me some clothes, so we're gonna open them. This is my first time unboxing PR stuff, so super exciting. Hopefully that didn't cut the clothes. That was probably so loud. Whoa, it's so heavy. Wow, so exciting. So first, they sent me some sweatpants. Whoa! And I think they're wide-legged at the bottom, but look at this design. Super cool. On the back, it says 77. And then they also sent me, whoa, this sweater. I'm gonna try this one on right now. Okay. Very nice. Very cool. And they also sent me this jacket. Ooh. This one is really cool. It's a clasp jacket. Cool. I have to undo the clasps. Ooh. Whoa. It fits so well. Well, W Hall. W aelfric Eden. Bye.